देश के निवासी सभी जन एक हैं, रंग रूप वेश वासा चाहे अनेक हैं। मेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली, मेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली, प्यारे प्यारे फूल गूथे माला में एक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश वासा चाहे अनेक है।
Dear countrymen, we all love our country and we are proud of it. Although there is diversity in each and every sphere, we are united as Indians. Our nation's development should be our first priority. How long will we remain as underdeveloped or developing country? It is time for us to realize our potentiality and stand together for our country's progress. Politicizing everything and not keeping development as our first priority are two major problems which we are facing, and they are hindering our country's progress.
Once, APJ Abdul Kalam, our ex-president and the greatest scientist, in his speech told that we have the bad habit of complaining and pointing at others for our problems. Instead of complaining, we should
Play our role in solving the problem. We may feel that what I alone can do, but believe me, if all of us know our responsibilities, then we can bring a great change in the society. Little drops of water make a mighty ocean. When we are speaking about development of our country, we require to come out of politics. Now the question is, do we require to boycott Chinese goods? If so, why? You must have found our markets filled with these Chinese goods. Yes, these Chinese goods are very cheap and lure us. But cheap cannot be always good. You must have heard about plastic eggs and rice. Without giving a second thought, we buy it. Nowadays, you will find our houses filled with these Chinese goods. We are getting it at an affordable price. We don't think of manufacturing it in our country. But how long will we depend upon these Chinese goods? How can we buy these Chinese goods and help China, who will use your own hard-earned money to manufacture weapons to kill our soldiers? Don't you feel that your money is used against you? Can't you feel the pain of the family members of those soldiers who lost their life protecting us? You may ask, who is to be blamed for it? It is indeed our government's failure and lack of far-sightedness which causes overflowing of these Chinese goods in our market. As our markets are filled with these Chinese goods, we rarely find any urgency of manufacturing it here. Necessity is the mother of all inventions. It is time for us to be self-reliable and self-dependent. We require to learn even from China to defeat them. We used to say that goods made in China cannot be reliable, but slowly they are improving themselves. Then why can't we improve ourselves? It is time to think over it. How long will we involve in fighting among ourselves on petty issues? We ourselves should be blamed for our own destruction. If we determine to produce most of the goods in India, yes, we can. Just we need to support each other. I am not stating that it will not require time, it definitely will, but we require to start first. If we can send spacecraft to moon, why can't we manufacture most of the goods in our country? When there was no civilization around, India had planned cities. We know about Aryabhatta, Satyendranath Bose, APJ Abdul Kalam, Ramanujam, Jagdish Chandra Bose, who made our country proud with their innovative thoughts and inventions. Indians working in different countries are still making our country proud with their work. Who can forget the name of Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla, S. Chandrasekhar, Amrita Sen, Sundar Pichai? We need to know our potentiality. Indians are no less capable. Government should encourage innovative ideas and inventions. Even in our education, drastic change should take place. Instead of theoretical knowledge, we should give skill-based knowledge to our students. Manufacturing different things should be taught from school. Young minds can learn very fast. We just need to encourage them. Government must stop overflowing of these Chinese goods in our country and encourage Indian industries to manufacture. Depending upon Chinese goods will not only ruin our Indian industries but also destroy our young innovative minds and health. Talented Indians are forced to leave India for not getting suitable atmosphere and proper salary and recognition from the government. Can't we encourage Indian youths to make useful apps and websites? It can be taught even in school. Depending upon China can do no good to us. Please think over it. We require to make ourselves self-dependent and self-reliable.